Cousins bonding for a day. For our first stop, naami sa Lakeview Cafe. This is located inside Lake Apo, but lahi lang ilang entrance. For Lakeview, we paid 300 pesos each, ang 200 pesos kay consumable. For me, fair rapod kay nasa lay parking area diri silang cafe. If dili ka ganahan silang air-conditioned dining area, narapod sila alfresco. Mo ni ang sulod silang cafe. By the way, kailangan nimo moadto sa counter if ganahan na ka mag-order. Naadi sa tablet ilang menu, that's why wala ko naka-take og pictures. Anyway, mo ni mong order plus rice meal. Wala lang sa video. First bite? For me, nothing special iyang kalami. And to think, medyo pricey siya. By the way, based ako na remember, mga 250 and up man siguro ilhang mga prices if ganahan ka og burgers ug rice meal. But considering the view, sulit ra gyapon siya. For our next stop, naami sa Ellie's Sandbar and Cafe. And mao nilang menu, you can pause if you like to see. Actually, medyo barato ilang prices. You have to remove your shoes before ka